The next huge sphere, and it battles with this first one for supremacy, health. If you are not healthy, you can't think, you can't create, you can't make money, you can't be useful to other people. It's harder to have good relationships if you're in pain and misery. So this whole category of your life related to your health deals with a lot of habits. In fact, a lot of the time, maybe a disproportionate amount of the time on this program, I do talk about basic health habits, how to eat more vegetables, how to reduce sugar from your diet and drink less Coke so you're not injecting as much sugar into you. There is a reason for health getting so much attention, because without your health, it's a cliche to say it, your health is everything. Without your health, nothing matters, but it is true. If you're in pain, if you're in misery, it's very hard to accomplish anything else in life. It's hard to be creative, it's hard to be useful, it's hard to love, it's hard to be loved if you're in misery. And at some level, if you're not alive because your health is so bad, then nothing else matters. So you've got to have a self-identity when it comes to health. What is your perception of your health? If you think you don't deserve to be healthy, or if you think, well, whenever you go, so if I'm going to drink, smoke, do drugs, whatever, because, you can't control it, it's just fate, you go, when your time's up, your time is up. If that's your attitude, it's virtually impossible you'll ever develop good health habits. What is your identity of your own health? My identity of my health is that I am the peak of healthfulness and vibrancy and strength and energy. My self-image is of someone who is in peak physical condition. My self-image is of someone who's active and strong and energetic and capable of at least trying any sport. I don't have the self-image of I'm a world-class athlete. That might be yours. But my self-image is of someone who has been healthy his whole life, deserves to be healthy, wants to and should live to be 100 years old or more. That is my self-identity. Again, I could be run over by a truck tomorrow or this afternoon, but that's my self-image. Someone healthy, deserves to be healthy, wants to be healthy, and will live disease-free, I hope, till I'm way past 100. My identity is that I am in better shape than 99% of people my own age. I don't know if that's completely true, but that's my guiding belief in terms of my weight, my energy, my strength. I'm in the top 1%. That is my image, my self-image. So now, what are my aspirations? My aspirations are to continue to be healthy. My aspirations are to continue to exercise, do fun, ski, play tennis, do everything I can with my 6-year-old daughter, and to live a vibrant life. Those are my expectations for my health. My expectations are to keep my wits about me, which is why I don't ever want to retire. I hope to be doing this show with you 40 years from now, maybe longer. We'll see, because I want to be physically energetic and capable of doing a show like this. Standing and all, I'm not sitting, so I'm using a little more energy doing that. So those are my aspirations for myself, and to keep myself fit and ideally getting stronger. I'm 57 years old. I'm stronger today than I was a week ago because I'm doing one more push-up every day this week than I did last week. I'm doing one more pull-up each day this week than I did last week. So I'm headed in the right direction. Now, am I going to end up in the Olympics? No. But in relative terms, I'm getting stronger. Those are my aspirations. How do I do that? I have specific habits each day. You've heard me talk about a number of my habits to maintain health. I do things like every single day, lift weights, only for 5 minutes. I sprint every day at 10 miles an hour, only for 60 seconds. I start every day with 20 jumping jacks. I do stretching exercises every single day. I walk 6.5 miles every day. I have numerous specific health habits, the most important of which is probably trying to get 8 full hours of sleep and never using an alarm clock to disrupt when my body wants to sleep. So all of those habits flow in a natural, logical way to support my aspirations of my vision for health. All of those support my self-identity when it comes to how I view myself and my health. The third